So great balls of fire, give it up for Darren Siebel. There it is, right down the beautiful tantrum of blind. Please give it up for Darren Cow. Coming down a little harder. It's okay, Darren, you're doing a good job. All right, Kelsey Chiappa. Huge. Kelsey's getting up there. Toe side. Yours out kicker. There it is. She almost won to a big front flipper, Kelsey.
Mr. Taylor West was Sean O'Brien water ski. We're going to see if he can step off that water ski and ski on nothing but a canoe paddle. Just like that, make some noise, folks. Mr. Taylor West. Jenny from the dock, member of the Canadian National Water Ski Team on a swivel ski. If you guys don't know what a swivel ski is, it's essentially around. Did anyone see the Doritos commercial with the water skiing pyramid? Jenny was on my shoulder. Took us at Landon went on the shoe skis, did a little 180 spin around. The water ski team. Summer Water Sports is hosting the World Water Ski Championships this September up at Deerhurst. Landon, look out for the jump! Taking those shoe skis right off the jump. And up here. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Taylor West is back in there on those skis. Jenny, I don't think Taylor knows what he's doing. Alright, how about you get in there, give him a little bit of help, show him across the world. Check us out online at summerwatersports.com for what country or town, city, place near you. We do 250 water ski shows. We go all over the country, Dignity, Nova Scotia, Mexico, the United States, Grand Cayman. Let's go for Taylor and Jenny, just like that. Great job right there, Lex. Look at that. Perfect form. Lex, wait a second. Look out for that ski jump. Lex, wait. Nailed it. Now, Lex, you're supposed to go off the jump. What happened? It's too high. What do you mean it's too high? It hasn't been this high since the 70s. No. Water ski jumps were just as high in the 70s. How about you swim back? No. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no sharks in these waters. No. That's terrible. His brother Lyndon got his whole left side eaten off by a shark. How is he now? He's all right now. Womp, womp, womp. All right, how about we try this? Everybody on the count of 3, can you yell, get down? 1, 2, 3. Follow us on Instagram at SWS Muskoka. Like us on Facebook. Go for big long distance credible champion indoor kneeboarder. Yep, he's the one and only person in the competition. Ripping it up, Ahmed O'Brien kneeboard. Big slide. 180, 360. Let's get over to Lex. Going upside down one more time for you. Now he's wrapping that rope around his body. He's going to do his final hit here with our helicopter 360 spin. Just like that. And they come to some of our ski shows that happen. After Ethan Connor on the bigger wakeboard. Sending it big. Sending us into the 2000s. Make some noise for him. He's a long way from home, and the water is very big.